my broadcast here offend, I apologize to you people in advance. For as so many of you that has been calling me, repeatedly about mediating peace between Jpac and Ogechi, I apologize to you people for making this broadcast this night. But I think it is necessary because ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ wu nwoke mana nwoke ha wu nwoke n'ọnụ ebe ha bụrụ nwoke so n'ọnụ ka ha wu nwoke ịghọtago. So sometimes onye mmiri na-eri adụghị wise enough to know that na mmiri na-eri ya, ịhapụ ya ka mmiri rie ya ka ọ fukene ka ọ na-adụ ịghọtago. Share this video ka mmeye ka ọ dị official, ka mmeye ka ọ dị official, ka onye ọ na-anụ onu mụ. I am officially withdrawing my hand from anything that has to do with peace n'ebe Ogechi na Jpac nọ. Let nobody call me again for anything peace. Let nobody call me. I don't want to be answering call repeatedly every minute my phone and let nobody call me again for anything that has to do with peace between Jpac and Ogechi And Jpac. Let nobody do that again. Jpac weru. You see Jpac in Ezugo say no weru. Sometimes maturity doesn't come with age. But it's so unfortunate that na ụfọdụ uche na nwa m ebuka ahụ na nwa m amaka ife. Mmiri na-erigu mana ime na mmiri na-erigu. You are so blind not to know that na mmiri na-erigu. You don't know that na mmiri na-erigu. Ọbana na-ele ọkụ n'aha mmanụ ọsị na ahụ amaka. A sị na onye nọ n'ana aha ajụ atụ ụjọ ọdụda. Onye nọ n'ana aha atụ ụjọ ọdụda. Atụọ ya ka inu ọgbọ ofekeghalị. Atụọ ya ka inu ọgbọ ofekeghalị na onye nọ n'ana aha atụ ụjọ ọdụda. It is a simple wisdom anybody can just interpret. Iworo obologo wee mee ife. Okay, let me even make it clear to you. If you think that na munwe time na this broadcast then you are making a great mistake. If you comment rubbish, I block you immediately. You won't even hear me calling your name out. The moment you comment rubbish, I will block you immediately. If you comment rubbish here. So, ichekwa na mma apụta na akpọ Emeka n'imerụ nke a. Okay. No need ịdada akpọ na afa. Blocking mode immediately. You other go. Now, let me tell you something you need to know. A lot of people started calling, asking for peace between Jpac and Ogechi. A lot of people started calling, asking for peace between Jpac and Ogechi, citing that they don't like the way and the manner in which this particular saga is going now, that it is going out of hand. A lot of people came out and decided to mediate for peace between the two of them. The other go and decided to move for peace. Some of us came down from our anger and whatever. Some of us dropped our differences and decided to come in and rescue this situation. We know what it took us to come down for wherever we are just to put hands together to end this. But it seems like no onye na-emeli ife in his favor. Amohodu no nyanwa ka na-emeli ife in his favor. He doesn't seem to know that it is him who has a lot to lose. He doesn't know that no nyanwa will a lot to lose. Look at a man that is already finished. Look at a man that is already finished? You want to go? Look at a man that is already finished. Or more know to go finished. Or can they say no mmiri? Or can they say no mmiri? Or more that his words are collapsing before his eyes. He is yet to see it. He is yet to see that his world is collapsing and falling down upon himself. He is yet to see that it is still early now. It is still early now to end this before his entire world will collapse. He is so unwise to know this. Jpac will go to a na me because naturally we make a peace between yana one yoma no majolo. You know that ni majorly here, but you pride and arrogance. Pride and arrogance. And in the saga battle na page here, look at it. Keriva na akwe ofuji. Okay, maka ngwa eziokwu nne no fodu ụmụ nwoke anya ifere ha na-eme m. Nne no fodu ụmụ nwoke anya ifere ha na-eme m. Look at ofuji, a man. Every single day for the past how many years? Every single day for the past how many years? If in aluwu ide piogari na page, jemale ebe a na-agba Ogechi war. When I look at ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke, I feel ashamed. This man he's not ashamed of himself. You called me one early morning. You woke me from my sleep one early morning. You woke me from my sleep one early morning to talk to me about Ogechi. Ogechi, no problem. I don't know you. I have never discussed with you. You woke me up one early morning to tell me about Ogechi, that I should stay away from Ogechi, that I should stop saying anything about Ogechi, that on amafro nwata nwanyi uru ago bayi Ogechi na agbasaga Ogechi kwuru no mere nka. I gave you a simple answer which you repeated na Jpac's broadcast, which is what, my brother, na ife owu na Ogechi na onye nwanu na-eme no consign rom amara nwanyi na-ekwu. When if you consign on if ha na-eme gbabanu saga ahụ unu na-agba no na group of saga ahụ unu na-agba. Remove me. I have a life. Kinsiri, you will reduce onwe utu for over how many years? You have reduced yourself to either purely from one page to another. Ebe ọ na-eforo a na-discuss maka Ogechi ijebe anọrọ. You called her a woman. Enweghị for pastor. But you have refused to understand that for the past 4-5 years, this same woman has been giving you sleepless nights. I refuse to give you that opportunity to penetrate me. Yes, I refuse to give you that opportunity. Unfortunately, Jpac has made himself a tool. Jpac can make go himself a tool. Use him as you wish. So people like us, we are too strong to resist you. We are too strong to know your moves and your antics. We are too strong for that. After 5 years, for 15 years, you have reduced yourself to fighting a woman on Facebook for 15 years, and it seems like you are obviously not ashamed. Yes, every day you call yourself a man. And these are the people that Jpac has decided to settle with. Look, let me tell you, Jpac. I pitied you. I had mercy and compassion on you. And that was why a lot of people who called me, I decided to pay attention and listen to what they are saying. Yes, a lot of force put so many differences aside to come together just for the purpose of this peace. As impossible as into Ogechi in case if you are giving condition in your world will collapse before your eyes. Only that time anya you clear. Your eye go clear. Your eye go clear. You think in if I gonna cancel ha na corner page you that it is still a news na nyande mad. Do you think that na this thing gonna cancel ha na corner page you? Do you think it is a new thing na nyande mad? This is the same thing they have been saying about Ogechi for the past 10 years. For the past 10 years. That is what you allow them to stay in your page. You are not bothered. A donor. If in a mail, Apple Seaman Global, you will phone, Monoga Kadonama, Aqua, you will phone, Monoga Kadonama, Apple, Onya, you will phone, Monoga Kadonama. Mamma Done, a Sakito call fa. Mamma Done, he approved to go to Madonna, despite the folk. You are not wise as an Anambra man. I must tell you the truth. Do not allow your pride to destroy you. It is an advice that I'm giving you. You pretend. Let me even judge this matter now. Let me even be a judge over this matter. Since you are claiming that you don't know what you did to Ogechi. Since you are claiming that you don't know what you did to Ogechi. Yes, as an asokata. I never wanted to be judgmental, to judge anybody in this matter. But let me judge this matter for once. Let me judge this matter for once. Go down away, malo. Whatever thing Ogechi kuru makayo, ogukagona enano. Let me be honest with you. Ogukagona enano. Ogukagona enano. You have resorted to this kind of things in the past. And you know that you have resorted to this kind of things in the past. You are a saga machine. You are a saga king. You called yourself Internet FBI. You called yourself Okwanyi Onu and Okwanyi Honono. You have said all manner of things about people. You have slandered people's name. You have leveled allegations that you have never proven till today. How many people have called you to come and sit down to explain to them? I am asking you. Now, you are beginning to see the injustice you have been melting down on people all this while. It is karma that has come back to you. In case if you don't know. It is karma that has come back to you. You claim that you posted Ogechi's father's picture. You posted that picture. RIP. Good Ogechi, or Wofu Munna. Good Ogechi, or Woye. Good Ogechi, can even you call Good Ogechi Mwaho? He will post to picture Ogechi at a very controversial time. At a very controversial time, did Ogechi ask you? Did you see Ogechi post that picture? I am asking you. Ogechi Obarona Papaya Nwolo. Ogechi Opologo. Confirm Wologo na Papaya Nwolo. I am asking you. In a many hife. Iweru Jpac. If you weru, my name on you, he was what atoro. The mother actually was yoku. You will not bagale. You will not bagale. Let me talk to you for once. Let me talk to you for once so that you will know. And I saw I need kuku anya or you didn't do it. Was that the best picture? A potential, they say my mom, RIP, it was my mom. It happened a picture in my mom. Well, he wanted the picture, my mom, no, not the most vulnerable state. He wanted the picture, my mom, no, in the most vulnerable state. Post to on Facebook, same name, I say RIP. It's surrounded with people who are not telling you the truth. You will cry at the last. Go and mark it somewhere. You will cry at the last. This is the truth people don't want to tell you. Where has RIP, rest in peace, turned to Okwojo? How many people keep post to go picture? Say rest in peace is into Wemaru, follow away on a page. How many people keep post to go picture, say rest in peace? I am asking you, how many people have you done that? You went and posted a picture, saga material. You posted it intentionally because no they repost a picture. Ogechi Obalono Nampewul. Ogechi did not tell you people Nampewul. You people forced it out. impose oye to people just to show Ndemadu what she is hiding. Even when you people release that picture, she tried to cover it up. Onuga beyond the reasonable doubt to prove that not Papa Ogechi. You posted that picture to Moko Ogechi. You posted that picture to Moko Ogechi. Are you related to Ogechi? I am asking you. Are you Ogechi friend? Did Ogechi tell you that he lost his dad? What is your business with the, Professor Timothy Okeke? Is he your uncle? Is he your in-law? Is he related to you in any way? What prompted you posting that picture? You posted that picture to Moko Ogechi. You posted the picture of his father in the most vulnerable state. You are very wicked. That is what people are not telling you. You are coming now to come and claim, what will I be apologizing to Ogechi for? Eh? What will I be apologizing to Ogechi for? You don't know what you should be apologizing to. So, what you are doing with Ofuji now in your page, is not even enough reason to apologize to Ogechi. I am asking you, what you are doing currently with Ofuji every day, or but on your page, what I allowed him, I never allowed him to do that. I never allowed him to do that. He wanted to take advantage of my platform. Mpamayo even told me, when he called me, I will never allow you to monetize any page. Look at, I have never spoken with him before. He called me one early morning around 5:30 to 6. I picked up the call. I said, no, now for so and so person. Bottom affair. Nwesie kerifo n'ifo na akpọrọ m owo ka ọ gwa m maka Ogechi. No flow Ogechi ka ọ bata na my program. N'ifo na agbakwo m owo I should stay away from Ogechi. Blah 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 blah. Who ifo kọrọkọwa kọchasịa nse my brother. N'ife niile ị na-ekwu n'onwe ka o si wee gbasara m. Na onye ị na-akpọ isiri n'onye uru agụ Ogechi sikwa wee mee nke a. Na merabeli ị na-ekwu na amaghị onye ha wụ. I don't know when these things happen, and I don't care because it is none of my business. So, why are you telling me all this? That if I continue na Ogechi na my page, that he will make sure that I never monetize any page. That I can never monetize any page in this Facebook platform. He started issuing threats. Look at the kind of people Jpac is entertaining in his platform. Look at the kind of people Jpac is entertaining in his platform. You think he's going to tell you the truth? Come out from your shadow. You offended the young girl. Come out from your shadow. Let us stop hiding things. You offended the young girl. Apologize to her. Stop playing smart. Stop playing all this smart in a play. You mocked a dead man. You showed the vulnerability of a man. Kelonye wish that even onye will accident. It is not even advisable to take a picture of that person in that state. Yeah? You went and took a picture of a man. I was with my mom. I did not take a picture. I could not even take a picture of her. I could not take a picture of her. You want to picture even working could be women at hospital. Who has done that? Kelonya Jidana such picture where say RIP. I am asking you. Why did you not dig up a picture of Timothy Okeke when he was very strong and healthy? You went and took a picture of a man pass all na hospital. Ije wolie post na Facebook. Say na say RIP. So, before my man in a is that what you are telling me? So, share this broadcast because I want that boy, that man, let me call him a man, because I listen and not a boy. Can that man listening up, I want him to come down to his senses. Have sense. Have sense. I know what I put aside to come and associate myself to this peacekeeping. A lot of people did so. If you on Facebook, peace. People were disturbing Ogechi the same way as yes, the same way as for peace. Case Ogechi for peace. You fail to understand that Ogechi has nothing to lose. You will lose greatly. Everything you have ever worked for is coming into this saga. You are not wise to see it. Okay. Ogechi, Ebukishi, off you go. You gotta go. Okay. Hot cookies, off you go. Okay, Tochukwu Okafọ, off you go. Atụrụ, Ejike, ndị saga niile. This is the right time to get all of you off this Facebook. Ndị niile Jekwunu Kinsele Ofuji, the leader of your gang, Jekwunu na Facebook. Ebe Jpac no. Ebe akonu supposed to no. You are not supposed to be here. Let me tell you. This page is bigger than all of you jobless men on Facebook. Honestly, some men, if you like him for over 7 years, all of you recruited yourself and formed Palace of Justice for one woman. 7 years, 10 years, 15 years later, all of you are still after this one woman. Okay, success and health with nation. Join them also. You want to go? Join them also. Some of you put family of a family. Are you from Uba family? I am asking you. Are you from Uba family? Are you from Nnewi? What is your business? Go and open your page. Use your page and speak against Kelafe. I was not on a live broadcast. Because I was not on a live broadcast. Call me back when I'm done with this broadcast. Some of you are actually more daft than I can ever imagine. Let me tell you the truth. Some of you are actually more daft than you can ever imagine. Ebata na my page. You know, peace. You na page Jpac and I say, Baba no saga. Look, let me tell you. At the end of the day, between good Ogechi and Jpac, we will know who will lose. You will lose completely. Nobody is telling you this truth. Some of us saw what you could not see because of your selfish reason. Yes, you are so selfish. The only thing you wanted is to recruit people. You want to recruit people against Ogechi. That is all you wanted. Any atom of peace, anything that has to do with peace, you don't care. You just want to recruit people against Ogechi. Ogechi no. It shows you kono to chaba if you jiwe no. It shows you kono if you ne kusiketa ahu no Ogechi ya puta bia kuo na ife do to no kuozie. Ndeni ni igba na saga na Facebook. Ndeni no igba na saga na Facebook. Mmadu ole ki apologize analo. But agbande mmadu ni fere ni kwuru wase because na ekwuru nke amaka. Because na ekwu this one maka. Ndị Zion isele na ha nyelu poison ihe genye mmadụ. Apologize go to them. Ikwugo na asị. Ndị ikwuru no ha akwụrụ ụgwọ. Ka iwe do you know what you have said? How many of them ga-epụtagolu kwuo nke agbaro ye ọ na-afụgo ofo. You want to make me onye ehu because I showed concern to come and make peace between you and somebody. You want to make me because he recruit Igwe Credo. If almost all the content creators, they abandoned you to your fate. You are now aligning yourself with Kinsele. What will ever make me to work? Look, let me tell you. I will never welcome Kinsele to my page. Anybody noticing I will never welcome you to my page. You cannot add anything. Now I am not expecting you to ever say anything good about Ogechi because if I entertain you, it means I am ready. If Ogechi saga, and on a page you several times. Ogechi apuna. ịpụtago gwa ndị mmadụ na Ogechi abụla akwụna. A nọ na page so many times. Ogechi na owu onye ohi nọ na wanted list. So many things ka entertain golu ndị mmadụ a na-ekwu ya na-akụ aka na-eti mkpu gụ na mmadụ kọbazie ọnụ kọcha ọnụ a na-achọ ka emelu nu peace inwe got ide ekwu na ife ahụ onye ahụ kwuru maka ahụ na ọ ya abịa kwugharị ya. One ka ngụnwa ya ekwugharị? One ka ngụnwa ya ekwugharị? You are not a man of peace. Jpac, you are not a man of peace. Ugo in in conflict with yourself. You are not a man of peace. You talk too much. Oh no, we will forget. Jpac, even Okongudibia said it in Beguna and Weloku. Do you think that people are not wise? We all came on board to help Bianyo Kwa for your own sake. It is not because of Ogechi. Omohene saga. Onwere ife a na-ekwu maka Ogechi abụrụ ife ị na-anụ na Facebook since over 10 years ago. Can you tell me something new? Can you tell me something new? Inugolu maka Ogechi since good eji wee gbaba saga. I am asking you. I am asking you a question. Ebe idebela ahụ na the wise. Of idebela ahụ na the wise. I am asking you. When ifeofu inugolu maka Ogechi since guna eji wee gbawa saga apart from ife ndị mmadụ na-ekwu maka over 10 years ago, I associated myself with this peace move because of you. If you are not wise to see that, who am I to keep fooling myself around? Because I call it fooling myself around. I call it fooling myself around. A lot of us put away differences, put away so many things, just to make sure that now this peace, we listen to people constantly. People now almost every minute call on Abata. Call also from America, also from Lagos, also from Lagos, also from Turkey, also from Turkey, also from so many places. At the end of the day, we listen to people and we want to do like people have instructed. We listen to people in their respect. And we wanted to bring this thing to an end. You are making it difficult. You are frustrating it. You wake up a discourse chief and a group call. So, who is proving each other wrong? A group call, away from knowledge of people. A particular na Facebook ozugbo. Mother involves now. Even in a Ogechi you have proven the in a course too much. You are not behaving like a man. You are not behaving like a man. You are not behaving like a man. Henceforth, Martin Guno Ogechi nowhere. Upon one you call Guno Ogechi nowhere. Guno Ogechi nowhere. Ono quality chief at the end of the day. Even when you come on Facebook to register your displeasure, must you make mention of a group call? Must you make mention of a group call? You ended up making all the people involved in that call look like they adapt, look like they are Nahamari Ife. Manapụta na Facebook kwuo na ikwuru ife. Ekwuo na ikwuru ife ị na-aba na ikwuhe, but kerifi display. You have already showed your weakness again on Facebook. Imagine people go to short peace between people. Na mmadụ na-achọ ka o mere peace with mmadụ, and you don't want that peace. Is that something you should be upset with? Is that something you should be upset with? Onye chọrọ imelego na mmadụ do onye fụrụ n'anya. Onye chọrọ imelego na mmadụ ife onye fụrụ n'anya. Onye decided to put his money just to make sure there will be peace between both of you. Has nothing to gain, he has nothing to lose from that. In fact, he is the one who has a lot to lose. He is the one who has a lot to lose. Bofeta ejiko wee kwu ego jiko wee sị Kinsiri kopilie na mmadụ gwalụgo ịmalụ vidio n'ime golu. Ọ wụrụ na vidio a nwere ụgwọ Facebook na-akwụwụ na calculate vidio niile ahụ imelu, delete it, tell me ego na Facebook ya akwụwụ na let me pay you so that there will be peace. But you are not wise. You are not wise. You are not wise. You took it as Nagunu. Eh? You took it as Nagunu. You will see to it. Henceforth, let nobody call me again. Basalu peace talk. Nebe Ogechi and the Jpac. You gotta go. So, from today henceforth, let nobody call me about any peace whatsoever between Jpac and anybody. I'm no more in. You are not a wise guy. Only a wise guy. You won't be entertaining all those miscreants and entertaining on your page, because you know those guys, all they do is saga. And they don't want to take their ear to hear Eba Nekumako Ogechi. They will all come there. You think you are winning. You are not winning. Those people, they came to me and I turned them away. In case if you don't know. They came to me because Ogechi appeared on my program. Who says because Naguno Ogechi Nweroku, I cannot be friends with Ogechi? Who says so? Who says that because Naguno Ogechi Nweroku, I cannot be friends with Ogechi? I'm an even a Selugune. I'm a Mebunu Pito Seboku. I am asking you. They started recruiting people. They have recruited you. You have proven that you can never learn. You can never learn. They put on a Facebook. Wisdom is very far away from you, Jpac. In fact, this live broadcast email today goes to them how wisdom is very far away from you. You will realize no one will day that you have by yourself collapsed your entire everything you have worked for. Now Facebook all this while, you will find out that you have collapsed. Look, Ntekana Agbapo. N'ọkwa onye ohi ka ọwụ n'ọkwa onye ohi ka ọwụ. Ịmakwa onye dị ifa. Na onye awụkwa onye ohi. Ọ na ịma onye dị ifa. Na onye awụkwa onye ohi ka ọwụ. Onye nọ na nkasị ahụ onye ohi ka ọwụ. Ahụ onye ohi ka ọwụ ama m onye ọwụ. Ọ ezu ohi. Ọ ya wedewe ego ebe ị na-echi. Ọ maọkwa na ihe ezu ohi. Okwukwo na ihe ezu ohi. Ọ ya wedewe ego ebe ị na-echi. Maka ọ ya wee kwe ka izu oye. Ka o wee bịa maa na ihe ezu ohi. Ife awụ ụka ka ntọrọ wuli ilu. N'ọ na-eti na ọha wee ji anya afụ nwunye mmadụ. N'ọ na-eti na-ekakwa nwunye mmadụ. Oyi ga-ewe sị na amama onye ọwụ na ọha eti na nwunye mmadụ. Ọ ya wee kwe ka ịbịa nwunye ya nso. Ọ ya wee kwe ka ịbịa nwunye ya nso. Jpac did not do anything to Ogechi. Ogechi is fighting for Akuzion, and she has made it clear. And what is your business if she is fighting for Akuzion? I am asking you, have you not been fighting dirty for Matthias? Have you not been fighting dirty for Matthias? Or we go to Akuzion, we feel we reason way. Who says you cannot fight for your friend? I am asking you. Who said you cannot fight for your friend? Who said so? The only problem people do is because all of you are seeing Zion and Akuzion in all this. You people are seeing Zion and Akuzion in all this. I cannot change what you think. But the only thing about you is that also when you want to Akuzion, she still have a reason to be in that fight. Yes. I am asking, I'm telling you comfortably well. When Jpac came out and said that when Jpac came out and said that Nande Zion, Nande Church, of course, we know just like the same way o si wee kwuo na mgbe o posturu picture de RIP ndị mmadụ gwe na RIP ọwụ ife ọjọọ ka ọwụ. That was the same way o si wee pụta wee gwa ndị mmadụ nọ ndị ụka dịrị ihe nya jee gbaa onye obodo wọ nọ ndị ụka dịrị ihe ka eweta poison je nye onye nwanụ nọ ndị ụka dịrị ihe ka o mee nke a mee nke a. He took all the things he did even against Fada Mbaka. He took all of it and leveled it on Ndoka. And of course, by Ndoka, we know Ndon Ekumake on the Zion and the Zion. On Ndon Ekumakafa. So, I also got furious. I confronted him. A lot of people confronted him. Ogechi also confronted him. Or respond to her. Wekwe ifokuru. Na page ye. Ogogo Ogechi akuna several. He did again. Akam na jukwo ye. Onwokwu ifo meri yo. Oye jiga mbagalo. So Ogechi will every single day. The fact is that now, if you want to settle quarrel between two people, there's no need to start counting. If you leave the two parties to start counting, they will obviously keep counting. And to be frank with you, if any of them could throw it away. Yes. For example, you will get mano. Wana kwa mano. Onya he wuri ede buru iwe n'obi. Ina abande mano. Okwori so mano ka nkwara na akwe. Do you know the story behind that akwe kwara mano? Do you know the story? There may be a story. There may be a story that is more deeper than me akwa henafu. You cannot tell me if I want me well. You cannot tell me if I want me well. As a matter of fact, for the ife do capable of it disconnect friendship, but when it comes to your way, you will just laugh over it. Obviously, that is not a touching point for you. I am asking you. Imere puano. Say na gonna mado no walogu. No way female ye. Iwe bande mado. Where up till today, you are trying to prove to people, not just to post to a picture. Say mado RIP. Mado ne go na family who. Mado ne go na family bende bebuna. He post na Facebook. Say RIP. I am asking you. Oh na mado ha na family. Mado ha no na yo. I'm asking you. Mado ne ni me ha. Can you post na Facebook? Say RIP. Let me tell you. Oh na ndem mado na agba don't apologize to her. Ono seen if 2 years ago or 10 years ago. Only if they were you were today. Apologize to her. It is not right. It is not right. Yes. It is not right. You can do something to somebody 4 years ago. E potazeta me onya wo believe. Or gokola. We go kotifa himeri 4 years ago. Yasionya nye weniwe. And the yasionya no hefa away. Are you that person? If you want to apologize to me, you apologize to me based on the that is it. Okay, so in on Luko, ride on. Let me tell you the same thing I told DJ during his time, and let the world bear me witness that I've said it today. 40% of people that are telling you ride on are from Matthias camp. They don't like you. They are only there telling you ride on because they see the hand of Zion and Zion in what is happening. It will take you a long time to realize this. Another 30% of the people telling you to ride on are the people, okay, Keleshopala. You can now, before my block, what is Keleshopala? He will go and die see how we fail. Jpac in no life. Not alive. Or happy life with Jpac. Then I wash my own. No labor, I wash my life. Same, I like the way Jpac is ignoring you. But no happy life with Jpac you. So let me now send you to life with Jpac for good. Oh, You delete the comment. No. You can't delete it. You can't delete it. Why are you deleting it? You can't obviously delete your comment. Oh, you delete go comment. You delete go comment. You may not be lucky next time. You may not be lucky next time. Ọwụrụ na no delete go comment and no nwere onye follow ya ebe a. Je no highlight ya alum na ka block oyo ozugbo. That is how they behave like ndị amaghị ife. Yes, Jpac is live. I am live. You left Jpac live. No, watching my own. Not ever asking you like the way Jpac is ignoring me. You did not hear him call my name because I want to make peace between him and somebody. Pride will destroy you faster in this life. You think she's just a woman. Go and ask so many men. A woman bring her down to their knees. You think it's all about saying it's a woman. Go and ask the people, many people, what a wounded woman is capable of doing to you. Go and ask somebody now closer to you. A woman who do wounded in the heart, what she is capable of doing to you. Go and ask somebody who will tell you the honest truth. If you are a man, you should know that the greatest mistake you did was ever replying to that saga. You should know. I've made it clear on my page so many times and that was one of the reasons why I ignored Chisomama. I made it very clear that I don't have any reason. I don't have any reason for engaging her. I made it very clear in my broadcast. But you thought I wasn't wise. You thought I wasn't wise. You are collapsing everything that makes you Jpac before your very own eyes. But pride will not allow you to see it. Pride will not allow you to see it. People like us, we have seen it. And we have seen where it is going. But your pride, you are not a peaceful man. You wish that everybody on Facebook can support you to fight Oge. Then you will probably enjoy it. That is the only thing you want. Look at broadcast on the other day. Anybody battle ko aji ife maka Oge. Eji moderate yonya. You go see happier. What you wanted is for everybody to come and start saying bad things about Oge. Good Igbo. One more comment from you. One more comment from you. I block you from this page this minute. I dare you, Gul. Good Igbo. I dare you. You have overstayed your welcome in this page. One more comment from you. I will block you this minute. I'm waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Drop another comment. Drop one more comment, Gulu. One more. Also, when you want to calm down. Also, when you want to you are a good man. Also, when you want to you are kind. Drop one more comment here. I will block you this minute. Yes. Your tatafo is enough in this page. Yes. Your tatafo is enough in this page. So, I am waiting for you, Gulu. I am waiting for you, Gulu. I am waiting for you. Drop one more comment. Unayada gwamma de eziokwu. Unayada gwamma de eziokwu. Na agwa nde mma de eziokwu na page ya. Oye nyela ani Igbo mma. Oye man ani Igbo. Ani Igbo will be better. Unu na akpagari aja shebu unu ya alai no nwunu we gbasaga. Unayada people eziokwu. Unayada people eziokwu. You hate Ogechi. You hate Jpac. You hate Onya. That is what you will be seeing. Don't apologize. So, na onye nye na mmadu nugodoro ogu, owolu mma gbuwa mmadu isi, nya na onye ahụ emecha ahụ dozie. Ka nya na onye ahụ doziri, ekwuru si je ekwukwakwa isi ahụ. Ka isi ahụ dozie, ka asị na egbu onye mma. I am asking you, dimpa mmadu that is supposed to know better, a family man, ịnụpụrụ nwaanyị ọfụ. The best advice, if at all, that need to respect this marriage in Kumake. Need to respect this your in-law you so much talk about. Need to respect an agukulia that you so much talk about. You respect all those people in Abo. If you truly respect all those people, if you truly respect your contacts, I don't know what will still happen. If truly you respect them, for their sake, it could have been enough for you to embrace peace. Yes, it could have been enough for you to embrace peace. A lot of people hold beef against you on Facebook. You will say you don't know. You have said all manner of things against people. Some of them, you cannot prove it till today. You cannot prove it till today. Okay. No. One area is now with angry emoji. About him go and rest. I will help him or her to go and rest. You want to go? You want to give it Nebu? He doesn't know. He thought that this piece, look at him giving condition. 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 You started calling me names simply because I am calling for peace. Ofuji, more personal beef with Ogechi. I'm on Ogechi on Azana. But what I still don't understand is why a grown-up man, a woman you started fighting more than 10 years ago, till today, that woman has left you and moved forward. That woman has left you and moved forward. You are still going after this woman for the past 10 years. Of which I am asking you. Are you not supposed to be thinking about your life? Are you not supposed to be concerned about your life? Why can't you go and think about your life as a man? Look at Ogechi. She's obviously doing better than you. She's obviously living better than you. Are you not concerned that this woman has moved forward? Look at Mirabel. Every day, Saga. Since over 10 years. 10 years later, platform even something do neutral. Saga. All of you, if you are supposed to read them, these are the people Jpac in Egente. Opana ne loko na hammano. Osena ahu amake. Opana ne loko na hammano. Osena ahu amake. Mkucha kwa asim. Ogechi is your mash. I will leave both of you. Tikasia no one. Good Ogechi tirisi yo one. Onye ti wuri ibe. Ayakwore yaka. Iti wu Ogechi. Ayakwore yaka. Ogechi ti wu. Ayakwore Ogechi yaka. Henceforth, I will be here now as a spectator. What do I lose? Yeah? Onwe ife na mi debu news etu other bloggers si ebu na page ya. Onwe ife na drop of video ebu onya. Ogechi drop of video ebu nke engagement kwa ya da agbatalụ. Kelele de va. Emi dog val. Jegodo kpata ego iwe chọwa onye udeti milionia. Ịghọtago? Jegodo kpata ego iwe chọwa onye wu deti milionia. Ịghọtago? Let me warn you, all these people who are coming to this page. Let me warn you, all these people who are coming to this page. If you want to remain in this page, take a decision today. Look, let me tell you, you must not be here. I don't want to be entertaining at this page. I don't want to be entertaining at this page. These are the same people who will be calling here telling you, okay, you should continue. A call for peace came. They went and tell Jpac, don't accept it. They went and they keep telling Jpac, don't accept it. Don't apologize. Look, you said you cannot apologize because your wife will see you that you are. Does it mean that all those men in an insult In a ridicle, in a slander, you think that they don't have wives? You think they are not married? You think they are not married? I am asking you. They have families too. Are you not aware? They have families too. You have a very bad record on Facebook. On your own and they pity you. In fact, ordinarily, nobody should even be pitying you. All the people who, all the sympathy you are getting, who the same sympathy, you just wait last minute. Yes. Are you not worried that Ijele and no but last minute, Ogulili Ijele is because Ijele was enjoying the clapping of hands of Ndeboloyas, thinking that they love him. Right on, because they want to use you to settle a long-standing Ogu differences. Yes. There is nobody calling him to give him money. Okay. Good Igbo. I warned you. On this note, I will say to you, bye-bye from Ezugo Global TV. Piam. I warned you. But sure you can take. Ogechi has been attacking Jpac since he has issue with Akosayon. And Jpac has never responded. What of Akosayon that has never responded to him? I'm asking you. What of Akosayon that has never responded to him? Were you not justifying him calling Akosayon out? Were you not clapping for him each time he throws shit at Akosayon? Were you not clapping at him each time he throws shit at Ndezion? Look, let me tell you, all these Zionites who are coming, of course, I know most of you are not Zionites. Look, let me tell you what has happened. What has happened is that all those people who has called Evangelist Ebukobi name, all those people who has constantly insulted Evangelist Ebukobi, they all recruited themselves behind Jpac, and they are now claiming to be Zionites. They are now claiming to be protecting the name of Evangelist Ebukobi. They are now calling on Zion Ministry to come and make open statements that they have not mandated Ogechi to speak for them. I saw in fact, a screenshot from comment to that guy. I hope none at this phone. Can we boy have? I hope none at this phone. Can we boy have? Yes, I remember this name. This guy, Yanabo, Fidel Castro. I've heard Fidel Castro. Even if I don't see that shot, that guy, I've heard Fidel Castro. Imagine Fidel Castro. Eh? Imagine Fidel Castro, son of the highest critics of Evangelist Ebukobi. He has never liked Zion. He has never speak good of Zion. All the time on my page, he has been speaking against Zion Ministry and Evangelist Ebukobi, coming to Jpac's page. Not Jpac's page. The other day, Governor Ezioku at Jpac and the other people who host the program, coming to the comment section there to write, Evangelist Ebukobi has been my spiritual father. But because of Ogechi, I am beginning to stay away from something that has to do with Zion. I laughed. I simply laughed. This is what they have reduced themselves to. The same people disguising themselves, wearing different clothes, just to fight one single cause. Ifele yemunu niine, unu niine na alafu Jpac. Ifele yemunu niine. Fidel Castro. Where was there Ebukobi? Where was your spiritual father? All of them suddenly started fighting for the image of Zion. Okay, she will be giving Zion Ministry a bad image. Is it a bad image different from Nkuru Zion Ministry? All of you have said that Evangelist Ebukobi a real man of God. You have said that he's fake. You have said that no Nema Renji. You have said that Nderi Zion woman atoro Zion. You have said that na Zion Ministry Nemenka. What is that bad thing that all of you have never said about Zion Ministry? Suddenly, all of you started caring now about the image of Zion. I am asking you, Ndaruo. Eh? Ndaruo, I am asking you people. All of you now, disguise yourself. All of you, now disguise yourself. Only you are fighting him because of a woman. When somebody throws shade at your sister tomorrow, don't fight because the person, your sister is a woman. Eh? I am asking you. They are pressurizing with money. What is the nunca? Where Malomaka Jpac? What is the this one? Where Malonia Jpac? They are pressurizing him with money. Who is pressurizing him with money? Who is pressurizing him with money? What is the nunca? Where Malo? If any no get in a good Jpac, no was it? Asokate Zanya Nihu, Ebulum Katani Bayoku. Oh no, we will make a statement. Ibeke made a statement. Chisomama made a statement, even though she hates Ogechi, but she still made a statement. Name them more than 5-6 content creators that don't even like Ogechi made a statement making reference to the same fact. Like I said, since Webido, I feel sad for people to innocent being dragged into all this drama. People like Seaman Global, people like Bebioko, people like Akwokoko, being dragged, if Senator Patrick Ifayoba, may so rest in peace, being dragged into this mess because of somebody like Jpac. I feel sad. And it is regrettable. It is regrettable. Honestly, it is regrettable. Even Skibo. Could it be a coincidence that all these people are saying virtually the same thing about you? What kind of a character are you? It is a question that is worthy for you to ask yourself. What kind of a character are you? Who are you as a person? You came on Facebook to start saying that they are enticing you with money. Who is enticing you with money? Who is that person that is enticing you with money? You are always proving to people, confirming every single thing about you, every step ahead. Who is enticing you with money? A conversation in a closed door WhatsApp group call. If you can rush out to the media to come and make a point. Tomorrow, somebody use Oye against you. Who is enticing you with money? Because somebody told you that he is willing to spend any amount just to make sure that Naguno Ogechi reconcile. Kelu tu onya. Kelu fu onya. You again. Naguno Ogechi do na mma. If not, kono na bu toba. Go. I am asking you. I'm asking you. What is that person going to get? Because na that person unu na bu je delete sia video niile unu melu against each other. Ko obeze so nke no na page ndị ọzọ. Ngwa je na page gu delete sia video niile imelu maka oge je na page gu delete sia video niile imelu maka Jpac. Owulu no nwere ego video ahụ na-enye unu ifilu ni delete eye na Facebook aya akwụsịghị ụgwọ. Calculate ego ahụ, tell me, I will give it to you. Owulu na entice you with money. Have you seen? This is a caliber of a man some of you are coming out to protect or defend. A man who can twist something to strength. For those of you big men who are still trying to involve yourself with Jpac, Afago, sorry. Look at the effort of a man. Look at the effort of an innocent man. Imagine no kuhi for a live broadcast. No Jepun mother. Jenna Papa for that man. Now from them mother. No ye do now she entice with money. Imagine what is different from what he is doing right now with what Ogechi is saying. I'm asking you. Let us be honest. Forget about your emotions about Ndokolafa. Look at the fact in Ifaneku. Look at the fact in Ifaneku. Somebody go say, delete this picture ni video ni email makonya. Onye do to delete this video niile imelu maka Jpac. Ọ bụrụ na video nwere engagement or ego ọ na-akwụ unu, gbakọsịa na ego ahụ, tell me, I will pay you that money no matter any amount for just unu na-abụ make elu peace. Na ife a na-eme ndị Igbo na-elose. That ndị Igbo is losing because of okwu na ụka na-adụ among us. Because you are cashing out obviously with this. You want to be cashing out with the labeling allegations against C-Man who you call your boss. If you respect those men, as you claim, would you not be ready to end all this so that people will understand that this is just a saga? I am asking you. If you love these people and respect them, as you said, will you not be happy to see to the end of this thing so that people can move on? I am asking you. So, another big man agreed to say, "Ọwụrụ na vida nwere ego na-enye you. Tell me, I am going to give you that money. Ka e wee diri iti ya video niile emelu maka bebi ọkụ ọgayo, maka C-Man ọgayo, and maka late Ifeanyi Uba ọgayo, maka akwa ọgayo. Ijo but I say na entice you with money. Who is enticing you with money? Who is enticing you with money? Who is enticing you with money? Jpac melo wegebelo. I want you to have mercy upon yourself. Have mercy upon yourself. Oh, you will later realize that all those people who are around you clapping for you, every genuine friend you have, we advise you to go for peace. Every genuine friend you have, any friend who loves you, including your wife, will tell you to pursue peace. That person will tell you to embrace peace. That person will tell you to take peace as an option. Anybody that is telling you to ride on. Anybody that is telling you to ride on, that person doesn't love you. Only God knows that Oge said in a live broadcast when I called her, Ezugo, this is why I switched off my phone. This is why I switched off my phone. Why did she switch off her phone? Because she knows that we are disturbing her with calls. Oge said in a live broadcast when I called him, Ezugo, this is why I switched off my phone. Why did she switch off her phone? Because we are calling her. But you are enjoying the fact that Nandewu enemy Ogechi, according to you, you don't have any personal beef with Ogechi. Those people who have personal beef with her, they want to use you as a sacrificial lamb to fight Ogechi. King said na program or magalo if I call na choosins. Eji Mirabel send their request or bata. Any genuine friend you have who loves you so much will tell you, Jpac, pursue peace. Anyway, peace is well put as an option. Pursue it. If you are wise, those are the people you should be listening to. I dissociate myself with any single thing that has to do with peace between Jpac and the Ogechi. Let them see to it. Let them ride on. Hakuwahamani into Jpac mebe video with Ofujiha. Ogechi mebe video nke. At the end of the day, Abacha also go mile. Kamalugu no Ogechi, who will lose? All those people who are telling you, ride on. My brother, you will lose. I am telling you this. You will lose. You will cry. you will see every single thing, every single legacy, and all the names. Look at you. You are thinking about your name and your image. For real. You are thinking about your name and your image. When you came on a video, we say, na nwatakịrị ịtọrọ ebune na nke akwa kwuo na ọtọ ha ebune ngụwa na support ya whereas na akwa amakwu na nwatakịrị ahụ tọrọ ebune. What is that image you are trying to paint about akwa and so many other people? I don't want to go and start counting. Ka ọ ghara ịwụ mmụ ya bịa buru fuel na-agbawiri gị n'ọkụ. Stop being selfish. Forget about ife Ogechi kwuru maka ya. What of ndị kwuru maka ya? You wrong there. Onye ọna na-agba na picture ahụ itiri na RIP will just RIP. Run away from that person. That person doesn't love you. Onye ahụ chọrọ ka gụ na Ogechi gbagido saga ọ ife onye ahụ chọrọ because nwanne ọ wụrụkwa maka imejọrọ ya brother m nwanne m nwoke onye ụkpọ na Nnewi Iwofu imejọrọ ya and you owe her an apology and don't apologize to me, apologize to my father. You should even be happy that for the purpose of making peace between two of you, that she will apologize to you, but you will apologize to her father. Because she told you, don't apologize to me. I don't need your apology. Go and apologize to my father. You gotta go, Albert Smith, whoever you are, I don't care to know who you are. Plot. Come back with another account. You gotta go. So, what is it we are saying? You have proven yourself once again. Happen I don't want to talk about Msalaluya here, Biko, Anamayo. The fact that we left whatever. Look, I know people. Governor Ezioku has also tried his best. So I won't even blame him at this point. You want to go? Governor Ezioku has also tried his best. But let me tell you, Oni de Melife, Omani de Meluye, all the while they made this broadcast, even that broadcast had made that day, Jpac was not interested in anything that has to do with peace. He doesn't want peace. If all to peace, Igbo credo, if I know about what you don't want to say anything. If I shall work, Igbo credo put up, lend there his voice to him. I go Ogechi. This is empire. Yeah, I helped you to build your page. You could not say anything. If I shall go, can this is empire, but I use your voice here. Piam. Obum TV na-enyere aka, so no problem with Obum TV. No problem with Obum TV. Onye nke a na-enyere aka 24 hours. And look, Kuku, my brother, let me use this opportunity to address you. Adama like onye na-agha aghụghọ. When you claim that you are, some of you have always made people like us to look bad here on Facebook. I know. Some of you have made people like us to look bad here on Facebook. Simple because we have failed to maintain the same position some of you has maintained. Indirectly, you keep maintaining where you are standing. But because we are open to come to Facebook and say our mind, I want you to look at the role you have played in this Jpac and the Oge saga and ask yourself this question. Have you really been neutral? Have you really been neutral? You have not. I won't say much. I know a lot of people all fuel, but you other go, but they claim that they want peace. At the end of the day, we are going to see Onye get hurt in all this. Thank God I've tried my best. Only God knows that I have tried my best. I've tried my possibly best. Despite Jpac not being my favorite. He has never been my favorite. Yes. He always seems to use any opportunity to tell you people that na ezugo melinka na ezugo melinka. Ogini ka ezugo melugu. Gunu ka ezugo melugu. Isi na ezugo church rat. Jpac aka ngumma. I am 100 times more better than you. I am 100 times more better than you. Yes. I am 150 times more better than you. I am telling you in confidence. Yes, I am telling you this now in confidence. When I have below mate, when I have below class, you can brag about age until when your age, you when man on a term, all a term, amount of man who need you at all. All a term, amount of man who need you at all. Yes. Amalum need 10 years where Tom in our brag about age. Uposaka in a bitori me business. I am no even Ijelu China. One nya hije to Afia. People like us who bitori but Afia from Dubai. Far back 2013. Far back 2013. We haven't even posted any picture of our Dubai trip or any other country for that matter. Eh? A biplane, he said photo, got to sky a berine. Eh? Do you know when I started flying? Do you know when I started flying? I am asking you. Do you know when I started flying? Ije shine ni ije to machine. Ayaya wa pelu ni ije to machine. Eh? Ayaya wa pelu ni ije to machine. Eh? Jolunde bloggers Iberu. I am telling you, Jpac. Jolunde bloggers Iberu. I'm gonna on a normal. I suppose you know to see man has a dashi ego. Come see a dashi ego. On a normal. To see man has a dashi ego. Come see a dashi ego. You want to brag about wedding. Wedding if formal more than 500 WhatsApp group women. Eh? You think I did not work? You think I did not work? Eh? Did you hear anything about how my wedding started, how it happened, and how everything made after that? Did you hear anything? Sometimes, learn from your mistakes. You are making a lot of mistakes as a man. And the old men not to carry yoku. You are not a man. I don't see you as a man of peace. A lot of people now involved in this saga from your own side. Let me not lie. Some of them are getting involved genuinely. I said few of them are getting involved genuinely because of some names Ogechi mentioned. The name Toshia Anisi. They feel sad and they want to really register their grievances. There are those people. There are those people, I must confess. But what of how many others? The only thing in a claim, I heard a video where Jpac was saying, I don't reply to Oge. Who says you don't reply to her? Do you want me to tell you many times that you have replied to her? You replied to her about 3 times from China. The day you came back from China, you replied to her. You have replied to her more than 5-6 times. Don't say you don't reply to her. You are replying to her. The only difference is that your voice is no more loud. I will lie to you now. I will lie to you. You will lose at the end. Let God and the man bear me witness. Let God and man bear me witness. The same way is Weku, mother was not in any WhatsApp call, group call again. You will block that person. Let nobody also call me in any group call again. about making peace between Jpac and Ogechi. For the record, Ogechi has never disappointed anybody in this peace talk. I give her the credit. When you call her, she listens. I give her the credit. That will go a long way again to show you who is a man or woman of peace among these two people. You let her go. This will show you who is a man and woman of peace among these people. Okay, Perpetual Chukwode, let's wait till my time. Let's wait till my time. Let us wait until my time. You cannot draw my time closer. Until that time, let us wait till then. And let us also wait until Ogechi, Jpac ya pianke you. Yes. Tell me one thing Ogechi is doing now that Jpac has not done. If you cannot tell me, take that your emotion and sentiment elsewhere. I don't want to be associated with anything peace. Never Jpac, you know. Because it's obvious that he is not a man of peace. He's only seeking sympathy from people because I keep repeating, my only regret in this, people no long far and are only into this. And I know that this is the concern of so many people. Now, what of those people who have taken it upon themselves to sacrifice something to make sure that they maintain peace? Or put on Facebook, as a man in this life, always ask God for wisdom. Let that wisdom always be a guide and let it direct you. Let it show you when to talk and when to keep quiet, when to respond and when to listen. Now what I'm giving now, when to talk and when to keep quiet. When to respond and when to listen. When you ask God for this wisdom, what is happening currently now is what ordinarily, even if Jpac doesn't want to do that part of peace, he could have just kept quiet. I don't know if you are getting me. What is happening now? Obrigado Jpac actual peace. He could have just, he should rather have just kept quiet. Obrigado keep quiet without throwing it back at the face of those people who are waiting to maintain peace. Obrigado no kwurie na live broadcast up kwaketa. Ojekwa cover ndị mmadụ na that same big man no chọrọ imelu ha peace. Na chọkọ entice there with money. Tell me what is different from what people are alleging against you and what you are doing. You actually came out to say that na actually entice you with money. Who is that person trying to entice you with money? Eh? You will still go and tell another person, all onya after this big man. Onya hebulukwa n'obi. Na ogaranya dey etu a chọrọ entice you with money. Echi niile onye apụtakwuo nna na-ekwu ife Jpac gwara m maka onye a. Isi kele ebe gu na onye a si wee kpara nkata wee kpata ife dị otu a. My brother, go in and put your house in order. People are not saying nice things about you. Even those people who don't like Ogechi, they are still not saying nice things about you. I found it that this could have been a good landing ground for you if truly you are a man of peace. You could have simply embraced this peace. This could have been the best time for you to move in and organize your family. You just wedded yesterday. Your wedding do covered with saga. This could have been the best time for you.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Going on a line.
Praise Google, Michael.
Okay,
Michael.
Michael. I greet
Yeah.
you.
Good evening, bro. Biko, onye mebie this saga, ọ ga-akwụ m ụgwọ ya. Onye ọbụla mebiri this saga, ọ ga-akwụ m ụgwọ this saga. And we are trading peace. Jpac, ihe na-eme Jpac kama. You get? Ihe na-eme Jpac kama. And the Kamia, Bruno war years back. You know, some people now have comment nonsense, have comment on Facebook, and I will just be laughing. All these people who used to be Facebook 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Ndi Mara and Tioge 2 years ago, 1 year ago, and Jpac. I have been using Facebook since 2012 when I left high school. Then there was nothing like Facebook page. Here they went one group. Page does not exist. Group Harlem that time until around that 2018 and 2019. Jpac created a page. Meanwhile, Antioge went a page already. I'm telling you what I know. Antioge went a page already. So Jpac wanted to grow his page then. He was dwelling, living on controversy. He used Antioge and sold out some other people to grow his page. He used these people to bring the brand Jpac today. So if you talk about the brand Jpac, you mention Antioge and some other people. So only Antioge build up page here will still be the person to destroy him. I want Jpac destroyed. Very evil human being. Very evil human being. What that guy has done on social media, social media, only the mercy. When you actually make peace, wow, make this saga. My Jpac got it done. All the sota one more saga laga on. That is the only thing that contributes. Bye bye.
Dalo, thank you. So, as I was saying, Jpac actually would now all the people na Guam Ezugo make peace. Ona fugonu na they are cancel it. Let me even block you. It's the wulungu na drop or even comment here. Oh my God, I block wherever. Drop or even comment ever now. Let me block you. What are you doing in this page? In a Sunday request. Who invited you to my page? Who invited you to my page? You think this page can entertain somebody like you? You think this page can entertain somebody like you? I cannot entertain somebody like you in my page. Go to another page, my friend. Go to another page. Yes, go to another page. I don't need you here. Unu ji saga wee na-eri nni. Some of you ifela ahụ eme unu. Biko ana m ayọ na ayọ. Ndị a na-akpọ m maka peace. Ọ na-akpọsina m maka peace ya. The only thing I will guarantee is that Ogechi na Jpac setụrụ ụwa na ife dolo unu ka ezugo n'elu onwe ọkarịa etu a setụrụ ụwa na ife dolo unu ka ezugo n'elu onwe mata elu ụlọ ọnụ onwekwa ife dị n'idi na ya adreesị ya mana ụnụ na-abụ carry on ashinie m aka Daddy Jocelyn, let there be peace here. Among the nwere ya sị na ma tribe. Jpac bịa na Facebook maka na m uso achọ ka ya na onye ya na-enwe nsogbu mekie peace. Ọ bịa na Facebook ọ sị m na m uwe onye agụụ look at Jpac na-akpọ m onye agụụ. Look at Jpac na akpọ onye agụ. Look at Jpac na akpọ mụnwa wee zugbo onye agụ. Okwu dị ebe ekwurie. Ịghọtago? Okwu dị ebe ekwurie. Nkwuchakwa agba ngụ na ọ wụrụ na ọhụ because of na mụ batara na Facebook mụ na ya na blọọgụ. Iwere mic as MC. Ịfụ nka m na-abata ituo m afa abụọ m ga-ego etu ndị ọzọ si abụghị ego. Onweghị ego one ndị ahụ bọrọ m ahịa bụ n'ihu. Onweghị ego one ndị ahụ nyere m ahịa enyewu. For the record, let me make it clear to you. Ịghọtago? Akpụkpọ ụkwụ nwere size, orijecho size go. Ịghọtago? Akpụkpọ ụkwụ nwere size, orijecho your own size. That is what I am saying. Ablock gonguru for ndị na-ajụ ajụjụ. Ablock gonguru gaskiya. Jee na peji onye sịrị na ọ ya ahịa Ogechi mgbaghalụ ka ifu ebe ha na-ekuturu na-akpọ ya akwụna na-akpọ ya all manner of name. Yet you are saying you don't owe her an apology. So you are talking about your reputation. What of the reputation of a woman? Ono brand gola akwụna. I am asking you, what of the reputation of a woman? Uno brand ohi. I am asking you a question. You are only being selfish. You are only being selfish because it has gotten to your turn. You are only playing games now. You are claiming as if you don't like what is happening. Your only regret is because you are not getting as much people that are joining you. That is the only regret you have. You are not getting much people that are joining you. That is the only thing they were you were. Of my greeting. A lot of people join the logo. Wee na-aga Ogechi iya like ihe mana ife na-ewuteghị ụna onye elu na onye anadụ ka ha abandon ụra ị na-anụ ya nnake ọ na-enweghị iwe mana ọ bụrụ na ị nwetara as much voices as you want. Who says you will be lamented? Iyada lament. Look at Jpac talking about reputation. Do you know the reputation of people you have destroyed here na Facebook? Do you know the reputation of people you have destroyed here on Facebook? Obum TV. Obum, I'm asking you, what can be more in destroy the reputation of somebody and an organization than somebody battling on social media, no on Facebook, where na a church or a people or somebody dealing he will poison Madibe. What can be more maybe after mad than somebody chief what a career bongo wobum good is that person painting good image of you? What could be more denting of somebody's image than you coming out to say that Nangoma wobum na can we baby see for you? I am asking you. Jpac need a serious repentance. Do you know the most funniest thing he is failing to understand? I have said this before Baba. I was going through the comment section that day, had a program. I found out that almost 80% of the people who are saying no Ogechi na-enye Zion Ajafa, that they know the evangelist Ebuka Ajafa, that the Zion should come out and they rebuke her and say that she is not speaking for them. That I saw a guy who has been the highest critics of Zion ministry. This guy has confronted me. This guy has inboxed me by name Fidel Castro, Confidel something, saying, claiming in the comment section the evangelist Ebuka spiritual father. Not because of Ogechi. God will lose interest. Even was out of Zion ministry. If you know, when you 1 minute, if you know, no man have a group Wena Ekiazi, Maka image of Zion ministry, they are trying to tarnish and destroy. So they are now indirectly claiming that they are defending the image of Zion ministry now, only because they just want Zion or Evangelist Ebukobi to issue a statement disowning Ogechi. That is the saga material they are looking for. They just want Zion as a church or some key people in Zion to come out and openly say that they don't know Ogechi, that Ogechi is not speaking for them, that they don't identify with Ogechi. That is all. They all disguise themselves as lovers of Zion. They did the same thing to Ijele.
Go. One thing on social media is this now. People like us and get one others no go on social media from a very long time now. And as a content creator, as a blogger, mark a social media see a work. Now me. Some of these people they feel in a high agent direct way can have their rugged guy. Before Hannah Land, they might give a hasty apota.
Yeah.
When they came actually delegate that their nonsense comment. How you do deals with it? I'm also a Zionite, but like this, I'm one agum. Then when you talk about Hana Amarika Bamu, Yahweh Sequana, Ogechi is our own. Ogechi Daka is a Zionite. I am a he am for find some life for and do a kind of dicey question. Am I more Mahihogeku or something? Or that, but that is by the way.
What has personal life for Ogechi got to do with Zion ministry as a church?
Listen now.
Who says Ogechi cannot be a Zionite because no one got personal life on it? Does it have anything to do with Zion as a ministry? Who said she cannot defend her ministry?
For me, like I always tell some people, outside of social media. If I on social media, kita, eke go eke. I wish that I'm with two category of bloggers or content creators, call it anything online. Ndị nke ndị ụka na ndị nke ndị omenala na ndị nke ihe. Forget ya ha na disguise. And like I always tell many people na akpom. Like I always tell many people na akpom is either you are with us or you are not with us. Those schools will be belong, you make your thing. How do one make their own thing? Now they bias, they make everything, they make their own thing. So give one sorry equal side in Kenny whatever. If you want to do your own, do it straight and clear. Go to on social media. Onye ọ na-akara eme ụmụ ihe a na ị na-eme na ọka akpọ oge ezigbo mmadụ ọka na-asị na ị na-eme nke a na-eso ha na ị na-egbu oge gị bikos onwe ihe ọnụ ọsọkwa gị mee ka akpọ oge ezigbo mmadụ onye kata ụda nọ na esi m ntọ social media nke a na-eme ka akpọ m ezigbo mmadụ ọka akụe na ndị nke a ihe ahụ m ga-ekwu ka m ga-ekwu and everybody know where I've been from day one. As far as I'm concerned onwe ga-apụtanwu na si na ọmụ onye mbụ from day one na-eme my thing on social media na ya ha si na ọmụ ebe m kwụ and ọma my stand as far as I'm concerned, you know. Then when you talk about Jpac in general, ọ bụ unu nwa na-eme ka eme peace my own be say na Naija or time buy na time Canada ahụ ofu ihe anyị ji 7-8 hours aga buy ụmụ ihe ka a join ya WhatsApp group a na-akpọte m n'ụra n'isi ụtụ oge ụra ya na-atọ ụtọ a na-akpọta ụda nọ group on WhatsApp add am just like that ọmọ onye ọrịa na-aza afa nni ahụ onye a na-atinyere aka ga-enyere onwe ya aka. When you talk about Jpac, our government na Jpac is very manipulative. For people
Too much.
Jpac is very, very manipulative. And sometimes I'm hearing me or I go how no ibe on take a wine because wine some of them wine I didn't me on a biahanisi. Man, I say guy onye ọ na-akpọrọ onwe ya nwoke before you put up something before you act on something ị ga-anọ na chie ya ọfụma You cannot take it on certain things. Before you take it that decision, before you make it that move. Mulidika Jpac name you wanna be an issues, bam, or Makaya, which is very, very bad. You know. Oh no, okay, we don't go ahead in na. Oh, I am at that fault. And the ear chapter no name, Okucha something. Ometa Ogechi Tezi Kokuru. Ogechi Tezi Hokuru. Just to start with, oh, a video I have for one and say, no way here necessary. Yana accusation or whatever may misunderstanding or may voice came in Kakagari men Kaka compensate Gary compensate. You men a voice Yahoo. See why evangelist Bukobi Kana actually hear, which is that voice is there for everybody to hear. Or do you take it here angle of Kasa in a Abasando, Asa and Hoyana Zero Bita? No, Kana who go based on saying about Zion ministry. All those things is there. Akuwe kwechiri ever all those things that be do. Give way for how manipulative again Jpac dey. Or say that no say kaya biani agapego at the back kama maya sign here akwaju. Then another people bia ojekuzi another people akwewe biwe. Or kwanka ha na promote ha bidoro nyaho. Meanwhile na Jpac na ndi otu ya ebido go how many months na share dia na Zion ministry. They say diako na Zion ministry. Uwone kamu yakuguru. Nsi Jpac. Move go on. And make they go make what live video made that day. See a guy. Move on. Okweti ne throw shade. O throw side that. O throw side. Ne recruit to people. O make this year. Ogechi na ye jara like. Ofiri no on a yaro man, I man we me here in this life. Yeah, man, no way name that thing. Carry again one. We're going to see the case. When you say you're born at the Amma, we don't matter what Camporam. I could copy a basal piece as you na. Naya basal came a peace. I know they for me nothing like peace. Peace is never an option. When you not talk a peace, the booze. A more movement goes in only that peace. And just like you said, Jpac ya nefe ni ihe na ha na-ekwu no nwe ife na-eme nwe na-eme ndị atrust and ndị atrust ya ihe ndị anyị na-agba for trust ya nwanne obi dị ahụ. If you
ọdọ waja ọbụm enwere iwe nyawo na ịkọtụ ọbụm ebe ị nọ kịta ọhụ na mụ na ga atọ na for 5 years ewee gwa ahụ na mụnwa wee zugo na ma ha wee ji anya afụ nwunye mmadụ no matter how close mụ na ụdọ ihekwe hapụ nwunye gị ebe nọ wee pụọ mana ịpụtakwa n'ile ebe a na-ekwu ya o ịya akwụkwọ ha na-ezugo ya ebe akwụghị na m na-ezu ohi na-ezugo na-ezukwa ohi na ọtụtụ ife mmadụ owolu now ebe ị nọ iwe gwa onye ahụ na gụ na-ezugo ete na gụ na-edu mma na onye ezu ife mmadụ ya hapụ m ebe ego ụdụ web
akụkọ ka anyị were mbido example
ekwuchalụ m efe a wee kwuo n'ụka wilu na onye atụrụ ruo ọmalụ. I considered so many things before I decided to get myself involved in this piece. I considered a lot of things. In all those considerations, I considered Jpac most. I said, let this thing end. Let everybody go and face what they are doing. It will cause more damage for somebody. Onye go na enemy pen on the United States of America. She is the citizen of America. Ocho Echere na Nigeria ever for the next 30 years. Ever no Ubeta. Always citizen of America. Always citizen of America.
If go to Nigeria attack, don't wait how na game me.
Okay, decide to go there by plane.
Yeah, I come Facebook.
Let me even clarify it for them or okay, she by plane be Nigeria. Oh, where he free me. Yes.
Oh, where
Legitimate defamation. Let me tell you. Perhaps okay, I arrest in jail. No ordinary defamation. That is a civil matter. Defamation or civil matter. To a madonga. Can go and get a Ogechi and make it back. or bigger different from Ijere and Dotu. Happen these people. Ogechi bịago to Nigeria echi
onwe
nwa
ihe a
ọkọ anyị
ga-eme
kwụsọ
ya
na nwa agụ ya bịa Nigeria akpụrụ ya nwa si na ọha ama ife ya tụ ọkpara Nigeria nwa agụ ọbịa Nigeria bụcha na gụrụ mere.
Ezugo. Imana, one thing I used to tell them is that even Facebook, they two different things from me and in reality. If you don't if you na say right on when you na or bata game or every bank or odi onwe ihe game, that is just the part. Last all game one eji aga be ihe ga ta fear. So as far as I'm concerned, only we want to lose and has been losing already. Jpac.
Ọma
no ga-ama ihe ọwụ na ọma ihe ọka kam da aka nyisi gị na ama mma agụ ha akwụkwọ na-eme ya ka iberibe na-eme ya onye njiwe kpọọ ya utobo na post mmeki earlier yesterday. You know, o nwere ka mmadụ ga-esi megide ihe na o jiri aka ya duo onwe ya ọdụ and ebe ya na owe dị njọ na ọ bụrụ na ọkịda analyze ihe niile a na-ekwu like this ị ga-afụ na Jpac wụ ụdị mmadụ ahụ nke ọmụpụta na-eti ka a chọrọ ka eme ya nke a bife eme ya nke a ga-eme ọbụ mmadụ niile mana onwe ihe gbasara PC na-aga n'azụ
ọkwa ekwuru nye ebe ọ ka iwee mara ụdị mmadụ a na-ekwu maka ya ife a.
That's what I'm still trying to tell you. N'ihe otu ihe niile a na-ekwu efekwa na there is no smoke without fire. If at all na no ihe a na-ekwu na based on okwu a na-aga on the road like there is always a way or ibo onya or na ekwukwe ya that private distance or when what up to smoke budi na apesa everywhere na aba you know or this kwa ko ofu okwu ha na-ekwu na ọnụ gị na-ehi mmiri.
And believe me ọkpọkwa afọ onye chọrọ iji ego ahụ wee entice ya
ọ na-ekwu na
mana chee ka njụzi enu ọnụ onwe ndị ọya agwa ndị ahụ ọ gwara ya pụta echi niile kwuo na conversation emelu in a WhatsApp call. It is not a bad conversation. It is just people trying to make peace between you and Oyegoro Elewu. Can you tell me the crime that person? Now on my TV, look at what happened. Onye chọrọ ime peace ya gwara fasi ha. After settling, chee na page ihu ịmarụ vidio niile imelu maka onye a jiri tie ya ngwonwe ịmarụ vidio niile imelu maka onye a jiri tie ya ọ bụrụ na that video wi engagement or ego ka Facebook na-akwụghị na ya gbakọọlụ m ego na Facebook a ka akwụghị na that video niile ahụ let me give it to you for the sake of peace. I will give you for the sake of peace. Obum keri ife dị njọ onye akwuru ya ahụ ọ bụrụgodị na ị chọrọ that peace must you slap it back at his face. If you can do it to him who has not done anything bad to you, rather he showed love by reaching out and wanting to make peace and even wanting to put in his own resources to make sure that peace is possible. If you can throw it at his face, what makes us to believe that you did not say it? I'm asking you.
Ezugo. I can see na ma ihe na-eme Jpac. Ọ agụ ha akwụkwọ kọ iberibe. Mana Ezugo take ka nshi ọkụkwa gị o. Take it or leave it. Efuru ihe niile ahụ mkpara on that voice WhatsApp group call. Believe me or not, na Jpac record that thing. And on a very good day, he got know that conversation from one of his boys because okay put here directly.
I can tell you on good authority that whatever discussion anywhere, there is nothing. Everything was all to ensure peace between two of them.
You know, so the thing is that I'm having a problem, yeah. I don't know, but for me, onye ọhụrụ a na-achọ ka ese tụrụ ọrụ ya na mmadụ okwu watch fụrụ onye ahụ onye asef adị ọ dị interested ọ dị show the remorse of okay not interested of all these things onye na-push the thing just na-ewesịkwa time ya because onye ọhụrụ may what to do with his or her own time. That is just the thing.
Even your own friend, if at all you respect friendship, you have come countless time on Facebook to talk about how much you respect Governor Ezioku. You have talked about how much of a friend he is to you, right? You have talked about how he has always been there for you, right?
Of course.
Now, even if you don't trust whatever thing, can't you see that your friend also buy that peace idea?
Governor
And he also part of trying to see that name with peace.
Governor
I'm telling
Ezioku is
you.
educated. At least some of his words or program, if I turn on a bias, he have on a educated person. And Doma, now the only person or the main person get lose in all these things. But Jpac had a few on those ways. Often you know you the moment after na live video. Obonya na phone. Osia una framu no nya dinudo. Baby okwe respond to go unegbo mu no oge. I America. Okay dey back obi. Okay dey back obi. Or maybe
In
from
fact,
next year,
what it has showed, what it has showed is that indeed that Governor Ezioku now advanced Jpac Ezioku.
of course.
That is one thing I have seen. Indeed, he's always advising Jpac, but no one how can that guy come out outburst because of a peaceful meeting? You came out and started posting out on Facebook. It was just a peaceful move to make peace between you and somebody. Ebawa.
That's what it Diego.
Naturally, Diego, who is begging you? Eh? Okay, look, let me tell you this guy what he is doing that he doesn't know. Ogechi na score here all the way. Ogechi at your peace. For the mere fact, that na Ogechi si chakwa ike niile ahụ na na-emegidekwa ife get ya Ogechi to the temple. Ogechi has called you. Ogechi has proven to people that indeed don't go major here. Ogechi has proven to people, number one, Ogechi was Seaman Global. After she heard the voice call of Seaman Global in a program where Seaman was soliciting for peace, telling the both parties that not understanding that they are both aggrieved. Nevertheless, that the mistake they made was involving other people into their program. That he is not going to apportion blame to anybody, but that he is instructing Governor Ezioku to ensure that there is a mechanism in place that will bring peaceful resolution between those two people. He said some things that touched Ogechi. After watching that program, Ogechi became emotional. What did she do next? What did she do next? She made a video and did what? And apologized to Seaman Global. Are you getting me? It is a score to her name.
Of course.
Can you forget it? That the person does not Ogodu no Ogechi short trouble. Ogodu no Ogechi wu a troublemaker. By that singular act, Ogosere, is he not showing you that she's smarter than you?
In every aspect.
When Agubola called in a program, after talking, Ogechi lose words. She even cried in that live broadcast. After crying in that live broadcast, she apologized to Agubola for the way she has spoken to him. What does he show you? Another score to her name. Somebody name like this may consider na ebe nwata na-ebe akwa atụ aka na nne ya nọ he na nna ya. So she is really outsmarting you, but you think you are wise. Who can come out to come and jeopardize a peaceful move? Even if you don't want that peace, how can you come and talk back at a peaceful move? How can you throw it back to the people who are making moves for that peace? If you don't want that peace, you should keep quiet and continue doing anything. Pretend like you don't know that that meeting ever existed. It is not something you can come on Facebook. Okay, look.
Now. It
One more
is
thing.
what I said
Now
about
one I'm
Bago
not taking
Alco.
much time. When Ogechi presented a case of somebody who called her, who called them for a meeting, Ogechi said it is a man and somebody she respects. She did not say anything bad. She only narrated what happened in the meeting, where after apologizing to Jpac, they told Jpac to apologize to her. Jpac did not say anything. She presented that matter because it is a peaceful move. She did not make that video to be like her usual video on about Jpac. All these are points I want you to be picking. She made it look like she is reporting to people the effort that people has made and how she has also tried to show people that she wants peace, that this is the only thing that she is demanding. Now, look at how Jpac handled his own.
Oh,
He
it's
came
volleyball
online
now.
seriously and started throwing shade, threatening people who are going to call him for further peaceful move, saying all manner of things. That guy can never learn. He's not wise. He
Ọkwa
is not
na-edifend
wise.
ọ ya edifend gidi ike agwụ ya na ọkwa ime kọlụ kpọọ ka a na-edibọnkụ o kịta na ọ na-adịbọnkụzi allegation if I should call it. Ọ dịghịzi apịa saga ọpịa was king of saga kịta ọ ịkpọzi na phone na ezughị for that your guy will not tozo like ezigbo tozo.
Onye dị va?
Jpac now.
Jpac ọwụ my guy.
Oh your guy ka ọ nwanne gị nwoke ka ọ wee
Ego si ọwụ my guy. Ịfụta na mụ na ịfụta na ebe mụ na-ese eme foto.
Ọ nwanne gị nwoke ka ọ ị chọrọ idina ya. Biko ezugo ka hapụ gị biko na achọrọ m ịpụ apụ sị ka m join ya gị obere.
Daalụ.
Daalụ nwanne.
Daalụ ndị nwanne. Sometimes all you need in this life is to ask for is to ask for wisdom and not money. What some people need is not money, but wisdom. But you will not understand. You came online and you started. Onye ka ị na-vibrate. Who are you vibrating for? Ị na-anyụgharị ya ma oyi. Oge Chukwu ewuru na within a space of how many days crumble all your world and she keep crumbling it before you. You are too blind that you can't see it. You are too blind that you can't see it. You are too blind that you can't see it. I pity you. Only God knows that Ezugo has done my best. Look, Biko, my people, those I respect so much. My lovely followers, Biko, Ona Osina, I have tried. How can I make a video in the morning calling for peace? I don't need anybody to tell me everybody report to this program. Share this program. Click on like and love. Everybody report to you. Share this program. Click on like and love. Share this program. Oh, click on like and love. Everybody report here. Hey, Chineke. Hey, Ogono Defa. Sometimes, ask for wisdom. Forget money. Indeed, time and event has proven that money is not everything. No wonder Solomon asked for wisdom and not money. No wonder. I have empowered with this program. You know that go. They have started tampering with this program. And now I want to look, love and like all of the program for now. Then we end it this night. You know that go. Be containing in our bomb on our Bosnam on our Bosnam. Onye unu na-enyere aka achọghị enyemaka. Onye unu na-enyere aka achọghị enyemaka. Ịghọtago? All the people na-achọ peace n'isi nwanne anyị nwoke. He doesn't want peace. So you people should leave him. Ọ na-achọ ka Ogechi bịa kpochaa nke ekwurekwu without thinking what of ekwukwa n'ọzọ. You keep saying n'imejọrọ why n'imejọrọ ya? N'imejọrọ ya ebe a nọ. Ụbọchị ahụ my mom nwụrụ na hospital. He just send my mom picture. Post to na Facebook. Say rest in peace. Onye ediligu. Edilingu. Iwu onye ụmụnna m. Are you my family member? Ana m ajụ gị ajụjụ. Iwu onye ụmụnna m. Ewu my family member. Onye yọrọ who agwara ngo na nne m nwụrụ. Did I call you? Gwa na nne m nwụrụ. Ịmachakwa na ọsaga ka iji wee gba. Ikpechiri na-aba. Ị na-aba. Onwe ife imeri ya. Biko ndị mmadụ asịrị nka nje olu. Kedu ụbọchị RIP rest in peace n'odoro gị anya no English word. Kedu ụbọchị rest in peace wụrụkwanala okwu ọjọọ. Ife ịmachakwa. Search your conscience. Search your conscience. Ka ị ma nọ na your conscience anyị agwa gị eziokwu. Ka ị ma na your conscience anyị agwa gị need post to that picture just to mock Mpa Ogechi. Hapụzienụ maka onye bụ ụzọ wee postue. Whether na Jpac bụ ụzọ postue ka kere afa ship pilot bụ ụzọ wee postue. It doesn't matter. The fact remains that Jpac posturu picture Mpa Ogechi in his vulnerable state. Were ya wee mọkụọ ya. Don't forget that at that particular time, Ogechi may not want people to know na Mpa nwụrụ ọgbasa. It's none of your business. Ọ Mpa ọ Mpa ọ chọrọ ka ị bịa sympathize with her. You are not going to force her. You just will the picture. Post oye ka ị wee mọkụọ ya ka ị wee bupụta ife ahụ ọ na-eso eso. Ịpụtazie taa isi na imejọ ha. That is no reason to apologize to her. Eji mi kwuo na onwe ife imeri ọ na-anọrọ akụ ọgụ. Did you not fight for your boss Seaman mgbe posturu afe? Did you not fight for Baby Ọkụ mgbe posturu afe? Are you not fighting anybody kpọrọ akwa afa? That guy kwuru na akwa ji ụgwọ. When that guy made a video about akwa, did you not come on a live broadcast to fight that guy? I am asking you. On email a live broadcast. Now got that guy. When you think for that guy, you even told Akwa, let you don't allow and go and you go to the case. Yes. On go at that guy for laugh. A walk walk. A yoga walk. A go dibia. On your iguana, so who cares if Ogechi is fighting Falcon? Did she not make it clear to you? No, they should tell you humiliate. Number one, stay away from Akon. Number two, stay away from Zion Ministry. Number three, the same way you came on a live broadcast to address Father Mbaka because you are in good terms with Zion. That is the same way Ogechi is doing the same thing to you. Because you are laying false accusation against those same Zion ministry. Yes. Oh yes, that is it. Have you bothered about what your write-up is doing to the image of Zion? Are you even bothered that Nande Madu Bidori Zion online billionaire today is because of you? Have you even bothered to think that Nande Madu Bidori I heard where you are talking about Hotel Agua, Hotel Umoke Chiege Welo, Lower Hotel Agua, Star Hotel Agua, on a Potacoto CIA, on all business in Madu. When you came online to say that Nande Manu Potakle Mona and Alomania, if you just see one of Brucol or Bayer, Ndamado Mochaya, or Dalukidi Habu, no, Jepute Ron, Osi Enoko. Because if you want to go anywhere, say na drone, but say na container to Kaduna, listen to mother. When you said it, did you not know that it was somebody's brand and business that you were attacking? If you made people to believe that on a payroll, you were wrong. You make people believe that because you are claiming that you are not calling them, but we know who you are referring to. We know who you are referring to. Don't say that you don't owe Ogechi an apology. If Ogechi can apologize to you, why can't you apologize to her? You are beginning to count your wife, your family. Ogechi ano na page you akwa akuna. E na akwa ya akuna Chicago. Na akwa ife niile na akwa. Have you ever bothered how her husband will feel? Do you still know that na Ogechi cannot do? Have you bothered how the mother will feel? Have you bothered no Ogechi na anuti? Kelu kan debe die yesi we feel. Let us stop being selfish. Treat others the way you want others to treat unto you. For if you fail to do so, you will not be an exception when it comes back to you. Whatever you sow, you must reap. The greatest mistake you did was turning down the hand of peace when people took it upon themselves. I gave myself in for that peace. Governor Ezioku gave himself in for that peace. A lot of people gave themselves in for that peace. You threw it back at the face of every other person. I hands off. Ashidema Kamen. Eseruma Kamen. Bigon Umunde. Mada Posina na phone maka peace na Jpac achọ peace. Jpac chọrọ I recruit nde yenyeri aka wee gbo Ogechi war. So nya we for chọrọ. If not, kedu ife Kinsey na-eme na page ye Mirabel send their request accept what? Julia go bata accept what? These are the names of people woman. None they are no Ogechi saga tete. Now for some of you who are saying na picture po Ogechi we family since people like Kinsey, Mirabel ha, or we family since ka can appear na every Facebook page ta bia na ekwu maka Ogechi. Or ha na ekwu Ogechi share onya ko share ya. Or one day nya ko share ya. Or we family a long time ago. This Mr. Obi a na ekwu maka ya. Onya ko mem. Or one day nya ko mem. Or we family since ono kana akpo Ogechi after today. But you want him to quickly throw away nke Jpac media. Ezioku wive me na isi n'oru pụọ. Ayaya atọ na mmehie na amara wee bala ya ụba. Ezugide ekwu eziokwu ezugide ekwu eziokwu. Ayata emecha mmadụ ndị na-ekwu eziokwu. I will end this broadcast now. But just like I said, Esenyemaka. Let nobody call me. I will not even partake except an issue I need to address. I will address it. I will not get involved. I will watch like others are watching, except no nwere ife nchọrọ address at the process. On that note, Esenyemaka, Ashinyemaka m, eyiri m white wee pụọ. Ka ụbọchị taa mara anyị mma. Ka abalị a mara anyị mma. Signing out. Peace.